Being open is the scariest thing to me. Hiding has always been the answer, not only from others, but also from myself. I have always been my worst critic, but my imperfections had taken over, and instead of others insulting me, it was me saying it to myself. I was my own mean girl. But this year, I decided to change that. I'm sick of living in fear. I'm stripping away the barriers I've trapped myself in. There were to be no more tears for the girl that dreamed of looking different. I am opening my whole self, my true self. Dealing with acne has taken an emotional toll on my mental health. Refusing to leave the house without a mask of foundation. Wasting money on anything that said it could cure it. I was embarrassed by the bumps that filled my cheeks. Apologizing anytime someone had to see my makeup-free face. Beating myself up for something I couldn't control. Instead of using the most coverage to erase my acne, I'm now letting it breathe because it's me and it is beautiful. With my body, the insecurities run deep, but it's time to let it out. This is my skin and there's no more need to hide. Weight and size is irrelevant to who you are as a person. Makeup or no makeup, you are you. Let that shine. I figured people that were confident had to be perfect. I never thought that I could be one of them, but taking the leap to embrace my flaws opened me up to a new happiness. I talk about my past body issues with openness because I'm not hiding anymore. There are no more tears for this girl.